How to log into LinkedIn profile or account. So if you want to log into LinkedIn with your account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of my mobile device from where you'll be able to see all of the app. So here you have to just open up the LinkedIn application. If you don't know how to download and install this, then you can watch my previous video on how to download and install LinkedIn application, and you can download and come over here. Once you are here, you'll be able to see this interface. So here you can see here is 3 options: join now, continue with Google, and continue with Facebook, and there is also sign in option at the bottom. So previously, if you have joined to LinkedIn with your Google or Facebook, then you can go for continue with Google or Facebook. Otherwise, you can go for sign in option over here, and you can enter your email or phone number and also your password and login. If you have got your old device and if you have saved your login information, then whenever you tap over this interface, you'll be able to have your information available, like you can see over here. And after that, you just can tap over that information, and simply after that you can go for login option. If you forgot your password, then you can also go for forget password option over here, and by doing that you'll be able to reset your password. And once again you can come over here and log in. After entering the credentials, just go for continue option, and for a verification they will send a verification code for you on your Gmail. If you didn't receive the code, then you can go for resend option over here and you can submit. Now for code, you just have to go back and you have to open up the Gmail, and here is my verification code. Now you have to enter this code to the blank, and after submitting the code you will be opened up to this interface. And finally you can see I have been logged into my account. So this is how you can log into your LinkedIn account. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.